Chapter 4. Space Exploration Tanoliers. How do we explore
Space exploration means finding out what's out there beyond Earth. Humans use rockets and robots to explore
Rockets help
space.
astronauts travel into space. They go super fast and break through Earth's atmosphere. Astronauts are brave people who live and work in space. They do cool experiments and float around. Space stations are like floating science labs. Astronauts stay there for weeks or even months.
Satellites help with weather, maps, and even your phone. They orbit Earth high up in space.
Rovers are robots that explore planets for us. This one is taking pictures on Mars right now.
India has its own space agency called ISRO. They sent Chandrayaan to the moon and Mangalyaan to
Exploring
Mars.
space helps us learn more about our universe. See you in the next chapter.